Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi Q5 faster. We'll cover key areas like engine performance, exhaust system upgrades, and handling improvements. By focusing on these modifications, you can significantly boost your vehicle's acceleration and overall driving dynamics. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your Q5 with practical and effective enhancements, transforming your driving experience. Boosting your Q5's engine power starts with an ECU tune, which can add 20 to 30% more horsepower. Pairing this with a high-flow air filter allows your engine to breathe better. For even more significant gains, consider a turbocharger upgrade and an improved intercooler to keep air intake temperatures low, ensuring consistent performance. Optimizing your Q5's exhaust and intake flow is crucial for speed. A catback exhaust system reduces restriction, while performance downpipes further improve turbo spool. Installing a cold air intake kit ensures your engine receives cooler, denser air, leading to better combustion. These upgrades work together to enhance engine efficiency and power output. Making your Q5 faster isn't just about engine power, handling is key. A sport suspension kit lowers the center of gravity, improving cornering. Upgrading to performance tires provides superior grip, while lightweight wheels reduce unsprung mass for quicker acceleration. Don't forget brake upgrades, which ensure you can confidently control your enhanced speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.